This is the circle tool. So if we select a plane to sketch on, go to Sketch, and then select the tool. The default setting for this tool would be the center point circle. So if we look there, it's saying the first point is going to be the center of the circle, second point is going to be somewhere on the circumference, so it's the radius essentially. And then we'll lock this center point down to the origin, and you can see it's giving me the option of clicking for the second point, and that would be the radius. So that's pretty self-explanatory. I've let this one lock itself to the origin, but there was no requirement for me to do that. You can set it wherever you need to set it, but I'll let it snap back to the origin there. And then obviously I would dimension this up or lock it to some other geometry in order to ensure that it was fully defined. So there's only one other option in the circle drop down menu. It's just a slightly different method of creating the circle. It allows you to define 3 points on the circumference of the circle. So again, I'll drop one of the points onto the origin, select the second point, and then you can see this third point is going to finish the circle tool. So I'll drop that as well. So that can be quite useful if you want a circular piece of geometry which sandwiches itself between some other geometry maybe. It can just be a slightly more useful way of defining the circle. So you can see that there's always going to be a point on this circumference that is locked to that initial position. In my case it was locked to the origin, but you could lock that onto anywhere.